Have you heard about these wildfires in California? I've been reading about them for a while now, and I think they're a really interesting example of how humans and nature interact to cause some pretty devastating events. So I'm going to read this article. I'd like you to read along with me. And then at the end, you're going to have a Google form to fill out. It's going to be a quiz in the classwork section. It will be asking you information about this article as well as what you just learned about what is matter. Okay, so pay close attention and read along with me. Science says people stoking brew that makes California burn. The recipe for a fire calls for three ingredients. You combine oxygen, fuel, and ignition. Fuel is stuff that will burn. Ignition is starting the flames. A wildfire in California, however, is like a witch's cauldron. Lots of explosive ingredients go in, and then humans stir it up. This month, unusual thunderstorms blasted across Northern California. Between August 12th to the 16th, thousands of lightning strikes rained down. These strikes sparked lots of wildfires. This happened during a heat wave, and there were gusty winds and dry conditions. As a result, the fires grew into firestorms. Tens of thousands of people are in danger. They have been told to leave their homes. The fires are huge. Smoke and ash from them have traveled across at least 10 states. California has a really flammable ecosystem. It catches fire easily. Wildfires and climate change are connected. The size of the state's wildfires keep growing. Since 1972, they are 5 times larger. They used to burn about 236 square miles a year. Now they scorch as much as 1,394 square miles a year. Climate change is the cause. The Earth's weather heats up from people using coal, oil, and gas. Hotter weather is causing lower fuel moisture. Wildfire fuel, like brush and trees, is drier, so it's more flammable. Parts of California have a Mediterranean climate. They have long, dry summers. Winters are mild and wet with a handful of storms. These conditions make a state ideal for wildfires. However, such conditions are getting affected by climate change too. Springtime gets warmer sooner, snow melts earlier, plant life dries out quicker in the summer, the rains come later in autumn. That means that the summer fire season is getting longer, right? Shorter spring, later rainy season, hot summer season just getting longer and longer. Perfect time for wildfires. Climate change is affecting the jet stream too. It's a river of high altitude air. Storms and daily weather move in its flow, but now the jet stream slows down. Weather gets stuck, often with dry periods. Humans are also to blame. Californians look forward to autumn rains. They stop the fires. Now, however, one of those storms sometimes doesn't appear. Then the state ends up in fire danger in October and November. Autumn is when wild, dry winds blow from the mountains. These winds fan fires, giving them all the oxygen they need. But more than climate and weather at work, people are making fires worse too. They cause ignition, right? Ignition is actually lighting it. In coastal California, almost all the wildfires were caused by people. California doesn't always have the biggest blazes, but they are more dangerous to humans. More homes get lost to fires in the state. The reason for this is that Californians keep building homes in wild country. They like the beauty, but with beauty comes fires, and fires aren't going away. All right, make sure you answer the questions in the classwork section.